Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to edit photo in CapCut. You can start adding new project right here and then add the photo that you want to actually edit. And let's say right here, this is the photo. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be able right here to edit it, maybe to add like an animation, right? To make the intro and the outro unique if you wanted to. And you can use the effects right here for your basically for your photo and make it look a little bit shinier, right? So you can see right here there will be like something like that, right? And you can use other effects, and you're gonna be able right here to see some features are hidden because this is a photo, not a video yet. So basically you can edit it as a photo, but it might limit some of the editing tools that you want to use for your for your photo. Also, you can split right here if you have different photos and you want to add a bulk of photos. You can just split and then go to the necessary part to delete the the unnecessary footage and add the most important moments. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.